Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful and simple beanie hat. This hat is a bottom-up hat, and first we make the brim and then start the body around long edge of the brim. I made that for child size, and I used a worsted weight yarn and two number of hooks, 4.5 millimeters for the brim and 5 millimeters for the body of the hat. And the body of this hat is made by only one round. If you're ready, let's get started. Start the work with smaller hook and make one slip knot, and then make 10 chains. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. You can add or subtract the number of chains if you want. And now skip the first chain, make one single crochet into second chain, one single crochet into next chain, and one single crochet into each of next remaining chains until the end. Now at the end I have 9 stitches, one less than the foundation chains. Start row 2 with a chain and turn the work. And in this round we should make one single crochet into first stitch and last stitch, and one back loop only single crochet into each of middle stitches. Okay, insert hook under both loops of first stitch and make one single crochet, and then insert the hook into back loop of next stitch only and make one single crochet. Again, one single crochet into back loop of next stitch and one single crochet into back loop of next stitch, and repeat that work and make one back loop single crochet into all middle stitches. And now for last stitch, insert the hook under both loops of that and make one single crochet. Make a chain and turn the work. Repeat row 2, one single crochet under both loops of first stitch, one single crochet into back loop of 7 middle stitches, and now for last stitch make one single crochet under both loops. Again, make a chain and turn the work and repeat this row, row 2 or row 3. Make one single crochet under both loops of first stitch and last stitch, and one single crochet into back loop of 7 middle stitches, and continue this work and repeat this row, row 2, several times until the length of this band reach the desired circumference. And we should make this band in a multiple of 5 rows. The number of these rows should be a multiple of 5. I continue this band and then I'll come back. I made 60 rows of single crochets, and now the length of the band reaches the desired circumference, and now I should fold the band in half and put two sides together. And now insert the hook into first stitch under both loops of that and into remaining loop of first stitch from first row here. Grab the yarn, pull through, and pull through this loop on the hook. Again, go to next stitch, insert the hook under both loops of that, and go to next stitch of row 1 into remaining loop, and then grab the yarn, pull through, and pull through this loop on the hook to create a second slip stitch. Again, join next stitches together with slip stitch and repeat that work, and join each stitch of last row to front stitch of first row. and turn the work. And now I'm ready to start the body of the hat with larger hook. So remove the hook and start the body with larger hook. Make one chain and one single crochet into joining space, then one single crochet here into last stitch of first row of the brim, one single crochet into last stitch of next row of the brim, and repeat that work. Make one single crochet at top of each row of the brim until the end. We should insert the hook under these two loops only. Here. To avoid making the gaps. And if we insert the hook here and make one single crochet, we have one small gap here. So insert the hook under these two loops. And continue until the end of the row. Now I have 60 single crochets. Make a slip stitch into first single crochet and then make 3 chain as first double crochet. Yarn over, insert hook into next stitch and pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2 to create one double crochet. Yarn over and insert hook into next stitch and make one double crochet here. Again, one double crochet into next stitch and repeat that work. In this round, we should make one double crochet into each stitch of previous round. Continue until the end. Now at the end, make one slip stitch into third chain of beginning chains and start next round with 2 chain. That doesn't count as a stitch. Yarn over and insert hook around first stitch, these 3 chains, and yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2 to create one front post double crochet. Now skip next stitch and make one double crochet into the next, one double crochet into next, and one double crochet into the next. Now after these 3 double crochet, go back to skipped stitch, yarn over, insert hook into that, and grab the yarn from the back and pull it to front and pull a long loop. Now yarn over, pull through 2 and yarn over, pull through 2. And then make one front post double crochet around next stitch, not this stitch, because this is the third double crochet before this stitch, and go to next stitch here and make one front post double crochet. Repeat that work. Skip next stitch, make one double crochet into next, one double crochet into the next, and one double crochet into the next. And after these 3 double crochets, yarn over, go back to a skipped stitch, insert the hook into that, grab the yarn from the back and pull it to front, pull a long loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. One more time. Go to next stitch, not this stitch, here, make one front post double crochet around that, then skip the next and make one double crochet into each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. And then yarn over, insert hook into a skipped stitch here, grab the yarn from the back and pull a long loop to front, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And we should repeat this sequence until the end. Now I'm at the end, and after last group, make one slip stitch at top of first front post double crochet, and start next round with 2 chain again. That doesn't count as a stitch. Yarn over and insert hook around first front post and make one front post double crochet. Now again repeat this sequence. Skip the first stitch, make one double crochet into each of next 3 stitches, 1, 2 and 3, and then go back to skipped stitch and make one double crochet into that, pull a long loop, pull through 2 and pull through 2. And then repeat that work. One front post double crochet around next front post, skip next stitch, make one double crochet into next 3 stitches, and then go back to skipped stitch and make one double crochet into that, and continue this work until the end. Now at the end, make a slip stitch into first front post double crochet, and then we should repeat this round 4 of the body several times until the height of the hat from here reach the desired height. Okay, I repeated round 4 6 more times, and now I'm ready to decrease the top of the hat. For the beginning of this row, make 2 chain and 1 front post double crochet around first stitch, and then skip the first stitch and make 1 decrease double crochet over next 2 stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch and pull up a loop, then go to the next stitch directly and pull up a loop. Now yarn over, pull through first 3 loops on the hook, and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, and then make 1 double crochet into next stitch. Now go back to skipped stitch and make 1 double crochet into that, and in this repeat I have 4 stitches totally, and we should decrease the number of stitches from 5 to 4 in each repeat. One more time. Make 1 front post double crochet around next stitch, that's a front post double crochet, and then skip next stitch, make 1 decrease double crochet into next 2 stitches, 1 and 2. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and then yarn over, pull through next 2 loops, 1 double crochet into the next, and then 1 double crochet into skipped stitch. Grab the yarn from the back and pull a long loop to front and pull through 2 and pull through 2. Again, we have 4 stitches in this repeat, and then we should repeat this sequence until the end. Okay, now at the end, after joining 2 first front post double crochet, again make 2 chain to start next round and 1 front post double crochet around first front post, and then skip next stitch and make 1 decrease stitch over next 2 stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook and pull up a loop, then go to the next and pull a loop, pull through 3 loops and pull through next 2 loops, and after that make 1 double crochet into a skipped stitch. and the number of stitches become 3 in this repeat, and then we should repeat that work. Make one front post double crochet around next front post, skip the next, make one decrease double crochet over next 2 stitches, and then make one double crochet into a skipped stitch. And continue that work. One front post double crochet around next stitch, skip the next, one decrease over next 2 double crochets, and then make one double crochet into a skipped stitch and continue until the end. Now at the end, make 2 chain to start next round and make one front post double crochet around first front post, and after that make one decrease double crochet, insert hook into next, pull up a loop, insert hook into the next and pull up a loop, and pull through 3 loops and then pull through 2 loops. One more time. One front post double crochet around next front post and one decrease double crochet over next 2 double crochets, and again repeat that work. One front post double crochet around each front post and then decrease next 2 double crochets together and continue until the end. Okay, now for last round, make 2 chain as first double crochet and then make one front post double crochet around next 2 stitches at the same time. Insert the hook around next 2 stitches, grab the yarn and pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, insert the hook around next 2 stitches and make one front post double crochet around them. And we should repeat this work and make one decrease front post double crochet around each of 2 stitches until the end of the round. At the end, make one slip stitch at top of first front post double crochet, and then we should close this hole, so fasten off and leave a long tail, cut the yarn and then we should turn the work inside out, and with this tail sew this hole and then attach a pom-pom. And now my beautiful and easy beanie hat is ready. You can adjust that for each size you want. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.